What's going on, guys? Logan here for a very quick video. I'm in the middle of doing all this drywall, so it will not be the same backdrop that most of y'all seen for the last year or so since my house flooded during Harvey. But I just want to remind y'all and tell y'all, for those of you who don't know, but the 2020 Shelby GT500 will be announced tomorrow at the North American International Auto Show out in Detroit, so very exciting. It is going to be a 5.2 liter supercharged engine, so expect, in the neighborhood 750 to 800 horsepower. It would be awesome if this thing had 800 horsepower, but I'm assuming it's going to have 750, sister. But who knows? We'll know tomorrow. I was just letting y'all know that tomorrow's the day we know. I am super excited just because I've been expecting this thing to be, actually I expect it to be released in 2019. Obviously it's not going to happen, but 2020 we'll have it. The first one's going to be auctioned off January 19th. So hey, Ford's awesome for doing that. They're going to be donating all the profits to charity. And when I say I thought it was going to be a 2019, I thought it was going to be a 2019 model year. So it was going to be released in 2018 as a 2019, but I'm just so excited. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.